Hello again, everybody. Today we're going to continue in our series of brown girl hacks. One of the most common ones I get is that when people buy what they think is a nude pink lipstick and then they put it on their lips and it kind of does nothing much for them, sort of like this has done for me. So this is a really pale lip color. You can see that my lip shape isn't really even being apparent. And I just wanted to show you a nifty little trick that I always use, okay? So if I get a pale pink color, and this one is something that I discovered during lockdown, this is Wet n Wild Rebel Rose. So it's very pretty. I really like the tone of it, but when I put it on my lips, it kind of disappears. At the same time, I got Wet n Wild Video Vixen, which is this really dark sort of maroon color. And what I do is I will take out the applicator of the Video Vixen, and I will take Rebel Rose, the pink color, and I'm going to dunk it in there, dunk it in here, dunk it in there, dunk it in here. And when you mix these two together, when you take the pink and you pop it into the maroon, sort of a garnet color, when these two mix up, then you're going to end up with this gorgeous, dirtier sort of pink, yeah? So let me show you how that works out then on your face. So you can see it's kind of see-through and barely there. Once I've dipped into the maroon, you can see it becomes a much deeper, more beautiful pink. Yum. This is looking a little bit darker right now because I haven't mixed it too much. So don't despair if you think, oh no, that got too dark. Then I can see lighter color in the middle. One of my favorite tricks with liquid lipstick is before it sets, get your little finger and soften the edges and make it a thinner, beautiful stain as opposed to a thick layer. This way you end up with a sort of a softer finish. Anytime you guys are struggling to find a nude pink that isn't working for you, just remember this trick. Grab any maroony, purpley, garnet kind of lip color, give that soft pink a couple of dunks in there, or if it's a lipstick, you can just swipe on some maroon liquid lipstick on top of that pink lipstick, and then you will end up with a color like this. How much of this you put will make the pink darker, how little will make it lighter. So that's totally your call, then you can sort of mix your own color. I hope you find these little tricks useful. Please leave any questions you have or any suggestions that you have for videos that you'd like to see in the comment section below. I am here just for you. I will create whatever content you guys want from me. So just let me know any of the questions that you feel are unanswered or things you always wanted to know. Drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and if you hit that bell, then your phone will tell you there's a new video and you can come and watch it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.